In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to a paid publication on Substack. Substack is a popular platform known for its newsletters, allowing writers to directly reach audiences with their content. Whether you're looking to support your favorite creator, get exclusive updates, or just enjoy quality writing, subscribing to a paid Substack can unlock a wealth of content. So let's dive right into how you can become a paying subscriber. First, you'll need to locate the Substack publication you wish to subscribe to. This might be a newsletter you found through social media, a recommendation, or simply a publication you've been following for a while. Whichever way you've accessed it, ensure you're on the publications page. This is your starting point. Once you're on the publications page, keep your eyes peeled for a button or link which typically reads subscribe or upgrade to paid. It's generally easy to spot. Publishers want to make it straightforward for their readers to subscribe. This button often appears prominently so that whether you're a casual visitor or a dedicated follower, you know exactly how to support the work you're enjoying. Now, after identifying and clicking that subscribe link, the next step is selecting your subscription plan. Options typically include monthly or annual plans, or sometimes a special option such as a founding member tier. Each tier often provides different perks like access to back archives, exclusive posts, or direct correspondence with the author. Consider how frequently you read the publication and what level of support you wish to offer. For those who are particularly invested, an annual plan could save a bit of money in the long run and show great support for the writer. With your plan selected, it's time to enter your payment details. This is a straightforward process, similar to purchasing anything else online. You'll need to provide credit card information or another form of payment that Substack accepts. Ensure you're entering this info on a secure page. It normally should have a lock icon in the browser's address bar, indicating that your details are encrypted and safe. Finally, after you've reviewed your choice and confirmed that your payment details are correct, you just need to click the subscribe button. Once done, you'll get access to all the exclusive content promised by your subscription, you'll receive updates directly in your inbox, and gain first-hand access to the unique benefits of a paid subscriber. And there you have it. Subscribing to a paid Substack is a simple process that empowers creators and enriches your content feed. Enjoy your new access to quality writing and the satisfaction of supporting the creators you love. Thanks for watching, and happy reading.